Oh, he's using the shotty.
You're hitting the woman, that's wrong, bro.
My shotgun's a sniper rifle. Pump, my favorite. That and the double barrel. But never use the double barrel in the box because it's too powerful.